Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use green color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids neither numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use yellow color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3. T-H-R-W-3. Kids neither 4 and use blue color. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids neither shapes, and first draw square. The shape of square and use red color. Kids neither circle. The shape of circle and use green color. Kids neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use yellow color. Kids neither heart. The shape of heart and use blue color. Kids last draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.